MCP, Model Context Protocol, is an open standard that lets AI agents interact with external applications and tools. You can think of it as a language interpreter that can translate any communication between your agents and the tools your team works with. While other design platforms rely on dozens of MCP server tools, Penpot MCP Server focuses on just 5 extremely versatile tools, giving agents what they actually need: rich context and full autonomy to read and write Penpot design files. These tools connect directly to our Open Plugins API, and unlike any other design platform, they grant full access to Penpot's design canvas. Through these connections, any compatible AI agent or MCP client can understand your file structure, create components, variants, tokens, and modify any property inside Penpot. By connecting any AI agent or model they trust to Penpot's MCP server, product teams can access their Penpot files and the right design context alongside their code base and design system documentation. A single conversation that unlocks multi-directional workflows. Design to code, code to design, and design to design workflows are now possible. But the possibilities are countless. Your team is free to build flexible, multi-directional workflows with any agent, any model, any stack.